Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to restore your iPhone if you forgot your passcode. So let's get into it. To restore your device from a backup, you'll need to have one already stored in iCloud or on your computer. First, let's see how to erase your iPhone wirelessly. Before you start, you'll need to know your Apple ID and password, and your iPhone must be connected to the internet using Wi-Fi or cellular data. Let's get started. If you entered your passcode incorrectly too many times, your device will be disabled, and you'll see an option to erase your iPhone in the bottom right corner of the screen. To do this, tap Erase iPhone. This will erase all content and settings on your iPhone, including the passcode. If you have a backup saved in iCloud or on your computer, you can restore your content when the process is complete. To continue, tap Erase iPhone again, and then enter your Apple ID password when prompted. Then the process of erasing your iPhone will begin. This might take a little while. Once it's been erased, the Hello screen will appear and you can follow the steps to set up your iPhone again. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.